You absolutely don't need fancy Photoshop skills to create 3D images just like this one. You can easily create it all by yourself on Canva. All you need to do is just sit back and watch this tutorial. So we're going to start by adding the elements for our design on our canvas. There's a lot of action going on in our design, so let's choose a background that matches our design. This one looks good, so let's add it to the background and also add a smaller version of it, which we will use later. Now let's also add our main element to our design, which will be a lady performing a kick. We need the kick to make sense in the context of the design. So if you want to create the same design with another picture, make sure that you find an image with a correct angle. Now let's add shattered glass effect, which we will use to make it look as if the lady kicked the phone screen and broke it. Let's find one with a hole in the middle so that we can make it look as if her leg pierced and passed through the glass, like this one. Let's find the phone frame from the Elements tab. Now we will adjust the color of our background. Just drop the saturation and increase the blur by 3 or 4 points. Now that we collected our elements and adjusted the background, let's combine them and create our design. Now drag the smaller version of the image that we used on our background to fill the phone screen, and double click on it and drag the corners to expand it and center it so that it matches the background. Now remove the background from the image of the lady, and this is the Canva Pro feature that I was talking about in the beginning of this video. Now that our image is ready, I'll do exactly the same thing to our shattered glass image. So go to Edit Image and then Background Remover. Let's reposition all our elements and finish our design. Here I want her leg to be in between the images so that it looks like the phone screen is broken. So what I'm gonna do here is to take the lady's image and duplicate it, then position the duplicated image on top of the original one behind, and I'm gonna crop until I see that the leg is kinda crossing the hole. If you found this helpful and want more content like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also let me know what you think about this video in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.